Hello. Many English words are also commonly used in Japan. This time, we will introduce English words that can be used in situations such as going around sightseeing spots on a bus in Japan. First, I will introduce some English words that can be used on the bus. If you speak slowly and clearly, you will definitely understand the words bus, ticket, card, driver, stop, station, number, seat, free, window, door, button, route, map, screen, information, announce, speaker, guide, tour. Next, we will introduce words that Japanese drivers and passengers may use to speak to you in this situation. Doko made ikimasu ka? Seiri ken o totte kudasai. IC kaado o tachi shite kudasai. Sakini o kane o haratte kudasai. Tsugi wa ABC ekima desu. Ryoukin wa500 yen desu. Ryouga desu ka? Kono basu wa D ekini wa ikimasen yo. Basu o oriru kata wa botan o oshite o shirase kudasai. It is good etiquette to be quiet on Japanese buses. So I think there are few opportunities to have a conversation with Japanese people. However, if you cannot hear bus announcements, you may end up passing the bus stop. You were supposed to get off it, or you may lose track of your route. So, in closing, I would like to introduce some Japanese words that you should memorize. ABC station ikimasu ka? Ikura? Tsugidoko? Oritai? Wakarimasen. Doko? Oshiete. Finally, I will explain in detail how to get on and off buses in Japan. There are two types of buses in Japan: prepaid and postpaid. A prepaid bus is a system where you put a fixed amount into the fare box when you board the bus. In addition to cash, you can also use IC cards. The fare is flat, so it's the same price no matter where you go. For deferred payment buses, take a numbered ticket when you get on the bus. There is a fare display board at the front of the train, so look for your ticket number. When getting off the train, put the fare displayed on the fare display board into the fare box. If you use an IC card, you don't need a numbered ticket, just touch it. Therefore, it is convenient to have an IC card. Japan's IC cards include cards named Suica, Passmo, and Toika, which are sold at stations and other places. When you get close to the bus stop, you want to get off it, press the Get Off button inside the bus and indicate to the driver that you want to get off next time. If you do not press this button, the bus will not stop at the bus stop. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you found this video helpful, please give it a high rating. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have a request in the comments saying, I want to use English in this kind of situation, please let me know. Look forward to the next video. Bye.